Hi guys, we will show today how we can clean the fish and chips ductwork and the fan motor. We are in Kingshead, Birmingham in England. We have got 3-pan fish and chip shop. At the range have a 3-pan to cook the food. That meaning they have 3 duct, which is we call exhaust, joined to the one ducting. So 1, 2, 3. I'll show it later. We have got 3-pan. Whereas the customer waste this side, we have got normally the panels. It looks like a skirt. It's nice and clean, but we just take them out to show the duct. With the fish and chips shop, I have to say that gas engineer comes and makes the service for the fish range. 4 or 5 years ago, they could give it the certification to clean. Now they specialized, so gasman cannot do it, the duct cleaning, so they can give it the certification. Them certification cannot cover. But if you can look in here, where is the end? Joins to the floor, goes to the oil trap. We have got on elbow and settled probably 2-3 inch grease, so you couldn't reach it by hand. It's 1.5 meter far away. So what we're trying to do, put it the chemical and then after blast it with the jet wash. Now when we wash with the jet wash, you will say where will go to water. Water will go to the sump. I'll show you in a minute. Where the owners normally every 2-3 weeks, depends how busy shop. Sometimes they every 1 month clean, but normally every 2-3 weeks they clean, which is, I'll show it to you. Where is the oil? The big pipe goes from here to the in here. Where is it? Normal, this one is there. So owners cleans, but that is the ducting comes from the range, and this one goes to the motor. We will show later in the video. So we will take it that oil first, which is probably that deep at the moment. When we're scraping this and when we are scraping the duct work under the fish range, then after we will put the chemical and we will wait 10-15 minutes, then after we will blast it and my guy will take it from here with the hoover. We will do it exactly the same thing from the fan motor to this side, and we are doing the exactly same thing from this side, where is the fish range ducting, to the oil sump. So basically right and left, all the internal pipe, it will be clean. Thanks, see you with. And this is the fish range impeller. We just take it out and we checking the grease around it, which is heavily greased. There should be more gap in here to take the air off. So it's not doing the, doesn't do the properly pulling stuff. It's just, it should be all like that, just open, so it could take it the air more quicker. So nearly it's flat. It should be, it's like a U shape, the internal the each blade. So this is heavily greased. And where is the drum? Impeller is turning, it's leaking. So it's got some grease here inside the pipe, so we'll clear here as well to make sure impeller don't touch inside the drum. So we will show after clean, and some liquid to floor as well. The most important is inside the drum, which is this one, where the impeller turn, and the impeller. So to make sure each one has to be clean like that. So it's like a U shape. It's nearly flat at the moment. It doesn't do the job. Okay, let's clean. We did scrape as much as we can do inside the drum, and we got ducting, which is we are 1.5 meter behind the oil sump, which is on the floor. When we will wash, we'll go there. So this is the impeller. Earlier I showed. We have got in here is more places to take the air down. Before it was flat. If you can bring near, We got more like a U shape now. Come a little bit more near. Yeah. Now, that will prove 20 to 30% more air. Okay. We will put the chemical around, and we will put in here as well. So when we wash from the fish range, we will collect the water with the hoover, and we will wash from this side as well, then after again collect. So we will do basically both sides the pipe. And when we will wash, this one will be covered with the black plastic bag, so no more water will go inside the motor. And when we will wash, you will see it will be sipping. So every one by we will wash it. If you do by hand, it couldn't take that much time. So, and also the pump spray can extendable, and the telescopic end 45 degrees. So I can go in any angle. I cannot miss not one place. So which is the specially designed it. Like my jet wash also, my nozzle, specially bended, so I can go every millimeter. If you don't clean one, it will make out the balance like a car wheel. It will start shake the head and make noise. So years when you clean, you got experience. You know what can be happen, what cannot be. Okay. Now we will go and put the chemical where is the range, and then after we will wash. Okay, thank you. And before we put the chemical, if you can show a little bit, we scraped it. It's not too much fat inside. So basically, just only a little bit. Because why? Every year we clean. So when we clean every year, we haven't got a thick grease. Which is when you have got thick grease, which is including the another ducting, you can even wash it. It will never be happen. Problem is, some fish range under the ground going. If you let it too long, it will get more with the heat, with the oil will cook. Basically, name is we call carbon. You can't even chisel it, or you can't even take it off with a hammer or anything. So if you're doing the maintenance, I'm talking about the fish range, fish shop customers, you have the maintenance because everything cooks in the oil. Not like a normal canopy. This is the fish range. It's 100%, everything cooks with the oil, with the big pan. So all oil goes there. With the heat, they get harder. So if you keep maintenance every year, which is you need for the certification for your landlord and insurance and for council, city council, to get your every penny back if any fire catches. So you have to keep maintenance. Some pipes are, today's, last 10 years, they keep doing on top to surface. But these are, goes down, so you don't know what's happening there. So then we will put the chemical, which is, I'm just showing to you. This is the telescopic end. You can go every corner, every millimeter. And where is the most collision was, where is the pipe goes down, and you have got elbow, all oil sitting there. So this one, telescopic. So that way, we're going more, and now. Yep. It's going more, and stop. I'm doing this one as well, which is I done it 15 minutes ago, before video. It's soaked it enough. I'm just showing to you where I can reach it with the telescopic extension pumped. Okay. Outside, we clean them. They're nice and clean. All filters, everything what came from here, and we scraped it as well. Whereas this is like basically canopy, like exactly the similar one. But this is for the canopy for the restaurants. Fish range has got little canopy, so you have to keep cleaning them filters as well. They're helping to do less reduce oil. So these are we scraped it from inside the sump. What came out. So we have between here and range only not even 1.5 meters, but from this one to the behind that wall where you got motor. So basically 1.5 meter run this way and 1 meter running this left way. Now, I did as I said earlier, we cleaned it, we scraped it, and I put it 15 minutes ago chemical, but I'm just demonstration how I put. So we will start washing now, which is already I soaked it. Earlier I showed where was the corrosion. Right, it's ready. So we got hoover here, wet hoover, and we will soak all the water after we wash. You can stay here, doesn't matter. Now we starting wash. Now when I got jet wash ends will be changed, which is this one is which one is rose plug, like that. But this is good for canopy and for steam wash. Now what we're doing, we will put it porcelain 360 degrees spinning nozzle, which is come from German, I believe, and making the like inside the barrel, like an air gun or air rifle. It makes like a bullet action. You can see now. Come on here. So it takes everything off. Takes even the concrete, as you can see. So strong. So we got exactly when you spin, it turns. Specially banded the nozzle so we can go every corner. So basically if you look, even takes the normal concrete, I can put the power, I can reduce the speed. I got 3 stage here, so takes everything off. Right, come here, let's wash other side, how much water came. Can you show us from other side when I'm washing, how much water comes to the box? You can see that all that grease is just loosening up. We will show the picture on that corner. Where is the lockage? That is all that grease you couldn't touch by hand because all underground ductings. You will see the water coming. You will do the exactly same thing from other side. Now, if you go and look at it, we got ducting, nice and clean. It's bare metal, so you can show inside like this. Nice and pure and clean. Where is the duct running? Where is the elbow? Is the corner. We took the water off. No more lockage. Nice and clean, bare metal. Perfect. No more fire risk. So. Guys, we put the chemical and we waited 10 minutes. So I'm just trying to do every millimeter, wash it basically to keep the balances on. But otherwise it will bounce and will make it a noise, which is the steam mode. And we put the fan motor with the plastic bag. We covered it so it will not get any damage or water in. So basically we scraped it as much as we can do. Now we're trying to wash. So far, if you can look to the half, basically nice and clean. It makes so different. I'll do exactly the same one from the inside. So if you can see, this is bare metal. When we'll finish, everything will be balanced and it will make it 30% pulling better. Right, basically it's brand new. There's nothing left inside, all nice and clean, and we haven't got between plate and blade any oil. So this one is ready to go, and it will be 30% pulls the air better. When we start this morning, they was completely full and flat. So at the moment they are like a U shape again. It will more efficient. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you guys. Bye bye.